Alright folks, meet the Ugli fruit. Yes, it's literally called that. Imagine if an orange, a grapefruit, and a lemon had a love triangle. And this was the awkward result. This funky looking fruit hails from Jamaica, discovered in the 1920s. Legend has it a farmer found it growing wild, looking at it and said, "Well, that's Ugly." But hey, don't judge a fruit by its peel. Underneath its wrinkly, rough skin is sweet, juicy goodness. It's like the grandma of fruits. Don't care about looks, but gives you everything you need. Health-wise, this fruit is a superstar. It's loaded with vitamin C. It's basically your immune system's best friend. And fiber, oh yeah. Say goodbye to digestive drama. This food got you covered. And the taste, sweet with a citrusy zing. It's like a tropical vacation in your mouth without the airfare. So next time you see a Ugly fruit, don't pass it by. It may not win a beauty contest, but it'll definitely win over your taste buds and your health. Stay fruity, my friends. Like, share, and subscribe for more juice